Uric acid is a natural waste product from the digestion of purines, compounds found in various foods. High levels of uric acid can lead to gout, a form of arthritis characterized by severe pain, redness, and swelling in joints. Managing uric acid levels through diet is crucial for preventing gout and other related health issues. Here are the top 5 foods known to lower uric acid levels effectively. 1. Cherries. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are renowned for their ability to reduce uric acid levels. They are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like anthocyanins, which help decrease uric acid and prevent gout attacks. Consuming fresh cherries or cherry juice regularly can lead to significant improvements in uric acid levels and overall joint health. How to incorporate: enjoy a handful of fresh cherries as a snack, add them to salads, or drink a glass of tart cherry juice daily. 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce uric acid levels. Vitamin C enhances the excretion of uric acid through urine, thereby lowering its concentration in the blood. How to incorporate: start your day with a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice, add lemon slices to your water, or enjoy a grapefruit as part of your breakfast. 3. Low-fat dairy products. Low-fat dairy products like skim milk, yogurt, and cheese have been linked to lower uric acid levels. These foods increase the excretion of uric acid and contain proteins that do not contribute to the production of uric acid, making them a safe choice for those prone to gout. How to incorporate: include a serving of low-fat yogurt in your breakfast, use skim milk in your cereal or coffee, and choose low-fat cheese for sandwiches and salads. 4. Vegetables. Certain vegetables, particularly those low in purines, are beneficial in managing uric acid levels. Leafy greens, bell peppers, and tomatoes are excellent choices. These vegetables are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being low in purines, making them ideal for a uric acid-lowering diet. How to incorporate: create colorful salads with a variety of these vegetables, use them in stir-fries, or enjoy them as side dishes. 5. Water. While not a food, water plays a crucial role in regulating uric acid levels. Staying well hydrated helps the kidneys flush out uric acid more effectively, reducing the risk of uric acid buildup and gout attacks. How to incorporate: aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Carry a water bottle with you to ensure you stay hydrated throughout the day. Additional tips for managing uric acid levels. Besides incorporating these foods into your diet, it's essential to avoid high purine foods such as red meat, organ meats, and certain seafood, which can increase uric acid production. Limiting alcohol, especially beer and sugary beverages, is also crucial, as they can contribute to higher uric acid levels. Conclusion: managing uric acid levels is pivotal for preventing gout and promoting overall joint health. By including cherries, citrus fruits, low-fat dairy products, vegetables, and plenty of water in your diet, you can effectively lower uric acid levels and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Remember, a balanced diet combined with other healthy lifestyle choices can make a significant difference in managing and preventing gout.